So the first thing you're going to do in this center is read the passage 3 times and make sure you color in your stars. And then you're going to underline all of the A with a magic E at the end. So that would be date, Kate, cake. Now, you need to answer all 3 of these questions, and then you need to draw pictures here. So you need to draw a picture of the characters here, the setting, the problem, and the solution. Next, you need to pull apart this page. It has 2 pages with it, but you only need 1 section here at the bottom. And you'll be cutting and gluing the compound word where it goes. So this is rattlesnake. So I put rattlesnake here. Lastly, you're going to use the root word and suffixes below to create new words. So you need to pick a root word first. So root word, root word. Here I could put color. Add a suffix. Let's put ed. Ed. And I'm going to write my new word, colored. Now the next time you might want to pick a different word. So play and ing maybe. Play, ing. And that makes the word playing.